Hello everyone, today the US dollar returned to its strong upward trajectory amid increasing expectations of the chance of raising US interest rates strongly during 2022. Accordingly, this was a good reason for the EUR and USD pair to decline strongly below the 1.0500 support. As I mentioned before, that stability below it will support further collapse the bottom. The euro's losses reached the level of 1.0435, which is stable around it in the beginning of the trading today Thursday. Data from Germany suggests that peak inflation may have passed, lowering Eurozone bond yields and Euro exchange rates, but there was a partial reversal after Spain's inflation numbers came in higher than expected. This is an early indication that perhaps the worst of the current inflation spike might have passed and will ease pressure on the European Central Bank to adopt an aggressive rate hike approach. Commenting on this, Matthias van der Jocht, analyst at cnbc Market, says European yields and the euro fell after the release of Germany's first regional CPI reading for June. It adds to the summer consolidation pace in the bond markets. It also indicates that the euro and USD could be limited to 1.0350, 1.0642 instead of 1.0350 and 1.08. This CPI data for North Rhine-Westphalia, most populous federal state in Germany, indicates a much lower reading, which may have been driven by the recent drop in oil prices. Say Tullio Bocca, an economist at Unicredit Bank, and if the NRW data were reserved by other federal states whose numbers were released later in the morning, the nationwide inflation reading could be only around 7%. Taming rate hikes expectations will trigger a mechanical bearish response in the euro, as seen in midweek trading. However, don't expect a complete capitulation for the euro just yet. Spanish CPI inflation was realized hours after German numbers were realized higher than expected. The initial figure for May came in at 10.2%, higher than the expected 9% and previously announced 8.7%. This is more reductionary than the NRW data in time, but nevertheless, the ECB must ensure that its current course is maintained.